Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Roku remote is probably one of the most essential accessories for any Roku user, ensuring seamless navigation and control over your favorite streaming services. If your original remote has gone missing, is acting up, or you're simply looking for an upgrade with enhanced features, finding the right replacement is crucial for maintaining an uninterrupted and enjoyable viewing experience. This guide will help you navigate the options and select the perfect remote that fits your needs and budget, bringing your Roku back to life with ease. Number 5. 2-pack replacement remote for Roku Express, Premier, Box, Player, 1-4. Introducing a convenient 2-pack of replacement remotes designed for various Roku models. These are perfect for your Roku Express, Premier, Player, and Roku 1-4. Please note that these remotes are not compatible with Roku sticks or Roku TVs. They also lack volume control, a power button, headphone jack, pairing button, and voice search functionality. If your original remote has a pairing button, this replacement will not work. It also does not feature a headphone jack for private listening. Get started right away. Simply insert 2 AAA batteries, and it's ready to use. No complicated programming or setup is required. Enjoy quick access to your favorite streaming services with 4 dedicated shortcut buttons. Easily launch Netflix, Sling, Hulu, and Disney+. Experience a responsive and reliable connection with a transmission range of up to 8 meters. It responds to your commands in just 0.2 seconds. Each package includes 2 replacement remotes and 1 user manual, ensuring you have everything you need for a seamless streaming experience. What we like. This is a straightforward, no-fuss replacement. If you need a basic remote that just works without any setup, this is a great option. It's perfect for households where remotes tend to go missing or get damaged, as you get 2 for the price of 1. What people say. The remote is a perfect fit for the Roku device. It has all the buttons and functions of the original remote. The setup was very easy, just put in batteries and it worked. Number 4. Roku Box Replacement Remote. Tired of losing your Roku remote? This replacement is designed for a wide range of Roku boxes, offering a seamless way to control your entertainment. Please note, this remote is specifically for Roku boxes and does not include volume, power, or voice search functions. It is not compatible with Roku sticks, smart TVs, or gaming devices. Get back to watching instantly. No setup or pairing is required. Simply add batteries, and enjoy reliable control from up to 10 meters away. Crafted from durable ABS material, this remote is built to withstand daily use. Its buttons have been rigorously tested for long-lasting performance. Access your favorite streaming services like Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, and Sling with a single click. Skip the menus and dive straight into your shows. We stand behind our product with 45-day unlimited replacements and 24/7 customer support. Enjoy your viewing experience with peace of mind. What we like. Looking for a reliable and long-lasting remote? This one boasts a durable build and instant functionality. If you value longevity and quick access to your favorite apps without any hassle, this is the one to consider. What people say. This remote is a perfect replacement for my Roku TV. It was easy to set up and works right out of the box. The buttons are responsive and the design is sleek. Number 3. Acoyer 2-pack replacement remote for Roku TV. Never get caught without a remote again. This pack includes 2 replacement remotes, perfect for your home entertainment needs. Just add batteries and you're ready to go. These remotes are designed to work flawlessly with a wide range of Roku TV brands. Enjoy easy control of your TCL, Hisense, Sharp, and many other Roku TV models. Please note that these remotes are specifically for Roku TVs and are not compatible with Roku sticks, streaming sticks, or Roku boxes. Ensure you have a Roku TV for proper functionality. Navigate your favorite streaming apps in an instant with dedicated shortcut buttons. Control your TV with precision from up to 30 feet away. Built for durability, these remotes have passed rigorous testing for long-lasting performance. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with our 1-year warranty and excellent customer support. What we like. If you own a Roku TV from brands like TCL or Hisense, this is your go-to. It's designed specifically for those smart TVs and comes in a convenient 2-pack. Choose this if you need a dedicated replacement for your TV's original remote. What people say. This remote works perfectly with my Roku TV. Easy to set up, just put batteries in and it works. The buttons are well spaced and easy to press. Number 2. Roku Voice Remote Gray. Introducing the Roku Voice Remote in Gray. This is the perfect replacement or upgrade for your existing remote, designed for seamless control of your Roku devices. It's great for all Roku TV brands like TCL, Hisense, Sharp, Element, and Hitachi. Plus, it works with a wide range of Roku players and soundbars. Tired of juggling multiple remotes? This enhanced remote simplifies your experience with convenient TV controls, including power, volume, and mute. Jump directly to your favorite streaming channels with 4 preset shortcut buttons. Accessing your entertainment has never been easier. Use the microphone button to launch channels, search for content, turn on captions, and switch inputs using just your voice. For Roku Player and Streambar users, you can search for content with your voice and manage your TV's power, volume, and mute functions. What we like. For the ultimate convenience, this voice remote is the way to go. If you want to search for content, control your TV's power and volume with your voice, and have a single remote for everything, this enhanced option is ideal. What people say. The remote works perfectly with my Roku. It's a great replacement for the original remote. Easy to set up and use right out of the box. Number 1. Universal Replacement Remote for Roku Players. Introducing a universal replacement remote designed to seamlessly control your Roku players. Enjoy effortless navigation with this intuitive device. This remote is compatible with a wide range of Roku models, including Express, Premier, and various Roku 1, 2, 3, and 4 devices. Please ensure your device is a Roku box or player. Please note that this remote is not designed for Roku sticks or Roku TVs. It is specifically for Roku box and player models. It comes equipped with 4 convenient hotkeys for quick access to popular streaming channels like Netflix, Sling, Hulu, and Disney+. Enjoy direct access to your favorite content. Setup is a breeze. Simply insert batteries, and you're ready to go. It perfectly replicates all the functions of your original remote, no programming needed. This remote focuses on essential functions, so it does not include a headphone jack, pairing button, volume control, voice search, or power button. What we like. This remote offers a wide range of compatibility with specific Roku box and player models. If you have an older Roku box or player and need a simple, plug-and-play replacement with quick app access, this is a solid choice. What people say. This remote is a perfect replacement for my Roku. It works right out of the box, no setup needed. The buttons are responsive and easy to press. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.